Everybody, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Got a quick repair advice for you. Kind of tore into this and said, hey, let me record it like I sometimes do. I just forget. Anyway, this is a hot point. This is also a GE washer. Got the front off and got it tilted to the side. So it's not the camera, it's the machine. I got it tilted to the side because I've got my hose clamps in and tilted so the water will be on the side. See, that's the water line right there. So that way when I took the pump off, water won't come out. So anyway, the issue with this machine, agitates, but it does not drain, and you can hear the pump come on. And so when it went to drain cycle, nothing came out, and this was hot. And I already unscrewed it, as you can see. So this was hot, so I was like, okay, the pump isn't working. So I took it off, and as you see, all this fuzz in there, like a pillow exploded. And this little guy had fell, like you see, there you go, had fell out and was stuck in here. So that definitely caused the washer not to drain. And I actually brought a replacement pump, but this one is fine. So you got the little snapback action, little resistance, and this is the, yeah, that's the one I'm gonna replace it with. So I'm gonna put it back on, and it'll start up. So if you have a GE washer that will not drain, a lot of times GE are known for having timer issues, transmission issues, and which keeps them from spinning and draining. So on this particular repair, that's the issue. Excuse the mess there. And also, so I took the agitator out, pulls right out, and this is broke too. This is stripped. You hear that noise? So that's an easy fix. Agitator basically just yanks out with your hand. Take this screw off, and this is replaceable. I believe those are on Amazon for like $20, maybe 15 bucks. Most likely the teeth are stripped out in it. So I got water in it now, so I don't want to take it off. But yeah, so if you got a GE washer, not agitator making noise, these are a few things to check out. But the main issue with this one wasn't draining. And oh yeah, see, I'm not gonna tilt it back. There's water leaking out. Yeah, so that's it. GE washer. Luckily, that's the only thing that's wrong, because typically the timers go out, and these things are not even worth my time. But that's the issue. If you have any questions, A-Team Appliance. Also, if you are a, didn't get me, I don't know. If you are a do-it-yourselfer and you're stuck on your repair, I will do video repairs online, one-on-one, using WhatsApp. That's what I'm doing right now. I might look at other things in the future. But if you are stuck on the repair, give me a call. I have a flat fee of $75, in which I'll walk you through how to repair your machine. Also, I'll supply resources on parts, but the $75 is just for basically my time, and then so $75 plus the parts. Or if you just have simple questions, I don't mind giving free advice. So this is Reggie, A-Team Appliance. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.